Hi, Christina again. Um, I am doing it's not an unboxing because I've already used some of the product. It's a really good product. I'm quite excited about this one. This is the August beauty bundle for the AIA Beauty Bundle. So American Influencers Awards, as I've explained in my previous video, but for you that are new, the American Awards, AIAawards.com is the website. It's American Influencers Awards, and what it is, it's a conglomeration of different influencers, beauty influencers from different categories: hair, nails, makeup, and they celebrate them and award them accordingly to their categories. So earlier we've done the beauty bundle for Manakandar, which was makeup. The one previous to that was Guy Tang, the shampoo, conditioner, hair lube oil. It was amazing. And this one here is from Jennifer Yen for Purlisse. So if you haven't heard of this product, which I didn't, there's a couple of notable things there. Purlisse uses ingredients like watermelon and coconut and coffee, and they're free from parabens. And mineral oils, which is a huge one, and it's got pH phthalates. I'm not really sure what that is. Pink charcoal and watermelon. So there's a bunch of little things in the bundle, and this one retailed for everything in the bundle is actually $115.98. I purchased this box for $34. So let me show you what's in the box. So the first thing is this cute little makeup bag. This I haven't opened yet. I was saving this. So let's see if I can figure out how to open it. This is wired. Do this. Okay, there we go. So it's got a zipper on the top, and it looks like a watermelon with watermelon seeds. It says Purlisse. It says give your skin a burst of energy, and it kind of folds out, so it's really pretty good size actually. So there is that little thing there. That little bag retails for $10. It also has its own little price tag. So the first thing that we're going to look at is the facial mist. That's right. Okay. So this is the mist right here. It smells really, really good. And it didn't irritate my skin actually, and it's got vitamin C in it, so I'm thinking the vitamin C is coming from the watermelon. So you're just supposed to like spray it in a circular motion. It smells like watermelons. It's really fruity smelling. That bottle right there, it retails for $10 as well, $9.99. The next one is going to be the Purifying Cleansing Milk. This is, doesn't give you the ounces on it, but anyway, this also retails for $9.99, I believe. Yes. Okay, this one retails for $9.99, and it's supposed to cleanse the skin from impurities and removes makeup. I used it. It's it's really actually really nice. It doesn't have any, it doesn't suds up, so it's just very, almost like a lotion type of thing. The next thing is going to be the Watermelon and Marshmellow Energizing Mask. This will retail for $24. The cheapest I found it on like Mercari was $20 plus shipping. So the resale on this is not really much different than buying it on the website. Actually, because they do free shipping. So, I mean, there's your $4 right there. It's a 2.5 ounce. And they do have a smaller size. And that one I did find it like on Mercari for $5. The next product was, and this is kind of small, almost looks like a sample size, but it's called Aqua Balm. It's 0.34 ounces, and it's a Energizing Aqua Balm. I think you put this on your face is what this was for. I have, like I said, it's got vitamin C. All these products have vitamin C added in them, and so I've mentioned before that my skin is very sensitive. So I haven't actually tried this product yet, but this little tube right here is $24. And I did find it on Mercari for $6. So, you know, the bundle itself was $34. Everything in it retailed $115. The reason that I'm mentioning Mercari is because if you happen to like the products and you want to order them individually or together, however that works out, you can order them from the website, or you can go to websites like Mercari where people will resell these. Sometimes people buy the boxes and then they take them apart, pick out what they like, and then they resell the rest of them. I'm not one of those people because I seem to be enjoying most of these products. The next thing is the Coconut Oil and Coffee Silky Butter, Body Butter. And that, it's a 6-ounce bottle. It retails for $24. And it says for best results, use after the coconut and coffee body scrub. So these are kind of two products that you could use together, or you could buy them separately. I did find this one on Mercari for $13. And I found this one for $9, but it was the sample size. So the full-size bottles were not available. I will tell you that this body scrub, it smells like coffee, which doesn't bother me because I love coffee. I am an avid coffee drinker. However, when you use the scrub, so you use the body scrub, you scrub it all over your body or wherever you want to use it, and it leaves a very silky finish, almost like you put the lotion on anyway. Now, it does leave the sandy, grainy stuff on the bottom of the tub, but you know, that's going to be the same with any other body scrub. That's usually why I don't use them. But this one, I really, really enjoyed it. It was, like I said, as soon as I took it off, my skin was very, very, like I had just put this body butter on. And then the body butter itself, when I first put it on, and I've mentioned before that my skin, my hands and my skin have been very, very dry lately. But what it did is it was tingling when I put it on. So I don't know whether that's normal or not, but it didn't irritate my skin. It's supposed to be smoothing, hydrating, and deeply moisturizing, which obviously with coconut oil, it'll do that. But the combination of coconut and coffee, that's really different. So, so that's it for the August Beauty Bundle box. The lady that founded this company, Jennifer Yen, was also a Power Ranger villainess, I guess. She was an actress. So this was her category, was skincare. Again, the name of the company is Purlisse, and you can find them at purlisse.com, I believe. was the name. Sometimes you can't find the companies under their regular, you know, names. So again, AIAawards.com for the box, Purlisse, Purlisse.com for the products. And if you're trying to reorder or you just want to try one of these out or whatever, then Mercari.com. It's an app on your app store that you can download. And I do have a code, so I'll be putting that in the comments. And that's it. So thanks for watching. Please share, and nice comments, please. Thank you. Bye.